Have you ever gone to a Shiva temple and seen a big stone bull sitting in the front? That bull is called Nandi. He always looks straight at Shiva. He never turns away. Why does a bull guard Shiva? Long ago, Nandi was not a bull at all. He was a little boy. A wise sage named Silada wanted a child more than anything. He prayed to Shiva day and night, "Please give me a son who is special and who will live forever." Shiva heard him. From that prayer, a beautiful child was born. Silada named him Nandi. Nandi grew up kind and brave. He loved his father and he loved Shiva even more. But one day, two visiting sages came. They looked at Nandi and became very quiet. "This child is special," they said, "but he will not live very long." Silada was heartbroken. He hugged Nandi and cried. Nandi looked up and asked, "Father, why are you sad?" Silada told him the truth. Nandi did not run away. He said, "Let us go to Shiva." So father and son walked through forest, crossed rivers, and climbed the great mountains until they reached Shiva. Nandi stood before God Shiva. "Please," he said, "I do not want to die. I want to stay with you forever." Shiva looked at the brave child and smiled. Shiva placed his hand on Nandi's head. A powerful light flowed into him. Shiva gave him the strength of a mighty bull, so he could protect Shiva's home forever. Nandi became strong, fearless, and eternal. Shiva said, "You will never die. You will be my Nandikeshwara, the chief of my helpers." Nandi was filled with joy. He said, "I do not want gold. I do not want a kingdom. I only want to stay near you." So Nandi chose to sit at Shiva's door, not behind Shiva, not far away, right in front, to watch who comes, to listen to Shiva's words, to protect his peace. That is why Nandi became the gatekeeper of Shiva. And that is why in every Shiva temple, Nandi sits facing the shrine, not because he is just a bull, but because he was a child who chose Shiva above everything else. And did you know something special? Because Nandi is Shiva's best friend, many people believe that when someone whispers a secret wish into Nandi's ear, he carries it straight to Shiva. That is why you will often see people leaning close to Nandi in temples. They are sharing their wishes with Shiva's closest friend. If you enjoyed watching the story, comment Har Har Nandi. Follow Temple Girl for more interesting stories behind India's ancient temples.